watch this video if you want to do a simple way to make a target for throwing knives. No glue required. Here we go. Hey guys, what's going on? Hey look, me and my son, I bought us some throwing knives. That way we can practice throwing knives. So what I'm gonna do is I YouTube how to make targets, and I got a good idea how I'm gonna make my target. But what I seen was other people who made targets and they spent like 2 or 3 days gluing all this stuff together. Nah, we ain't doing that. So I got 4x4s that I'm gonna cut 5 3/8. I went and got 1x6s, which is actually 5 inches and 3/8. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this for my border. I'm gonna do like a 2x2 target at first. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna pre-cut all this stuff here, and then I'm gonna lay it out, and then we're gonna put it together. So watch me as I cut this, and then we'll lay it out. Here we go. Hey, check this out before I start cutting. Let me show you what I done. Is I got this cut right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut and slide, cut, slide, cut, slide. As you see, I gotta rethink this process. So let's figure this out. My first blooper. So let me figure this out, then we're going with it. Here we go. All right, as you can see, I have my handles on the wrong side, clamps. So what I've done, I put it on the other side. So here we go, let's cut. All right, look, check it out. This is what I done. I got 36 pieces right here. You know, 6 across, 6 this way. So what I done is I already got all this squared away. So I took my square, put it up against it, and took this and just beat it until this side got good. And then I just went around the whole thing until I got it square. So everything is good to go. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut my 1x6s. For my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and pre-cut them, lay them out, and then let's see what happens. Here we go. Look, check this out. This is what I done. 1 3/4 inch. I went ahead and put one here, one here, one here, one here. I'm gonna go ahead and screw my sides up. And then what we're gonna do is just gonna screw into each one. Bam, just like that. Until it holds tight, and then we're gonna cut some boards go across here, each one, and then we're gonna screw it into each 4x4, and then that'll be it. So let me go ahead and tack this on. That way I screw, get everything tight, flush. All right, let me cut my boards going this way, and I'll come back to you. Here we go. All right, look, check this out. I really wanted to use my 1x6s, but I didn't have enough, so we ain't using that. So what I done is I got my 2x4s, and this is what we do. I got them pre-cut. So check this out. On top of it, bam, just like that. We'll come back, just screw them in there. This is gonna be the back of it. So screw one there. All right, look, check this out. I finished screwing it up. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna flip it around, see how the backside looks, and then we'll prop it up somewhere, and I'll throw a couple knives at it. Then I'll wait till my son gets home from school. I'll show him, and then we'll see what kind of skills he got. This bad boy's heavy, but anyway, that's it right there. Let's look at it. Check that out. Awesome. That's awesome. Let me take my phone off. Check it out. Perfect. Man, that's all you gotta do right there. Perfect target. That's a 2 foot by 2 foot. So listen, I'll try to put some of this description on this link. Just check it out, and I'm gonna prop it up somewhere, throw target. Matter of fact, I'm gonna throw targets right here at it. I'm gonna set my camera up, throw targets, and then I'll wait till my son gets home and see what he does. Anyway, hold on for 1 second. Don't judge me, but it's my first time throwing at a target. It is. Nope. Oh, you see that? Oh, oh, boy, watch out. Oh. All right, 3 out of 3 ain't bad. As you can see, it sticks. So anyway, I'm gonna get my skills better, and I'll make some videos of us practicing, even competitions. But I can't wait till Cole gets home to see this. Here we go. As you can see, I'm better at building than I am throwing knives. But you keep watching. The ninja's coming out. Hey, look, check it out. I got Cole. He just got home from school. So we're gonna test it out and see how good he can throw. Let's do it. Don't hit the brake. Yeah. Look, check this out. Like I said, we're gonna keep practicing, but this is it. No glue, like I showed you in the video. I use all the screws. So watch the video, make it easy, 2x2, 2 foot by 2 foot throwing knife target. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, check my other ones. Here we go.